Here's a laptop, Dell Latitude E7440, and it's displaying this message. No bootable device found. Press F1 to retry, F2 key for setup utility, F5 to run diagnostics. And Windows does not start, so what to do in this case? So I want to enter setup utility, and to do that press the F2 key on the keyboard. F2. And setup, or with another word, BIOS should start. Now come here to boot sequence using the arrow keys on the keyboard. Go down to boot sequence and UEFI is selected, although the hard drive is using legacy. Okay, so use the touchpad, select legacy. The first boot device is the internal hard drive. Okay, and go to apply. And now exit. The laptop will restart, and now since it's not using the UEFI mode but the legacy one, now it's able to start Windows, and Windows 10 is starting. The error message is not shown anymore.